Hello guys, welcome to this new video on Python. This video I have dedicated to this tool called as FFmpeg. So what we are going to do in this video that I usually do a lot of stuff around with videos and I extensively use this tool FFmpeg. So it is a tool that you can use on your command line after installing on your system to manipulate videos, images and audio. But it also has support for other APIs including Python. So in this video, I'll be showing you certain operations that you can do with the help of FFmpeg on videos. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So I have the code written here for you. First of all, you need to check whether FFmpeg is installed on your system or not. So for that, you will require this module called as subprocess. So we'll import that module and we'll check. Using subprocess, we'll run the command FFmpeg version and we'll check out whether it is present or not. So let's see if it is present in our path. Yes, FFmpeg is already downloaded in my system, so it shows that okay, it's there. No need to download it again. If you don't have FFmpeg in your Mac or Windows, so I have made a separate video for it where you can download FFmpeg, and I'll leave the link for that video in the description below, or you can find it here in the cards. All right, so once FFmpeg is in your system, so let's go to the first example. So in this example, we'll be converting a video that is an MP4 to a GIF. So let me show you the video first. So this is the video where it's a waterfall basically, and we'll be converting this video which is in MP4 to a GIF. So simply import a subprocess, specify the input and output file, and then you run the command subprocess run. FFmpeg is the tool, input file is the input file name, and output file is this output file name. So let's run it. So it might take some seconds. So you see here it is converting your video to GIF. All right, so it shows that process is completed. Now let's play the GIF. Okay, you see the input video is now converted to a GIF. And GIF itself has different applications, so you can use this type of video in them. All right, let's go to the second example. The second example is about trimming a video. So I have a video here and I want to trim it. Like this video is originally of 20 seconds. So I want to trim it from 5 to 10 seconds. So I just specify the start and end time, then specify subprocess run, FFmpeg input file, start time to end time, and output file. So output file is specified here. Let's run this. So it shows it is completed. So let's check the cut. So now you see from 5th second to 10th second, the video is cropped and it is saved in your local. All right, let's go to the third example. So this example is about watermark. So if you have a video and you want to put your own watermark on it, so how can you do that? So for that you can use FFmpeg again. So I have this image here that is of the bird and I want to put this as a watermark in my video. So what you can do is that using FFmpeg you can run FFmpeg input watermark. Then here you are resizing the watermark first. So you are resizing it to the scale of 200 format is RGBA. Resized watermark is the name of the new PNG that will be stored. And then in the subprocess run FFmpeg input specified this file, then resize watermark PNG, then complex filter and overlay is specified, like which format you want the overlay of. So this is to be specified, and then the output file. So let's run this command. So it will take some time again, but let's wait. All right, it shows completed. So now let's check the output watermark. So you see this video and here in the bottom left corner, you will see that the image is shown as a watermark. All right, so let's check the next example. So FFmpeg can also be used to change the resolution of the video. So right now the resolution of the video that I am using is 1080p into 1920 and I want to downgrade it, so I will be downgrading it to 1280 into 720. So for that you just need to specify the new resolution, FFmpeg input, the input file name, then the scale of the new resolution and the output file. So it shows it is completed. Now let's check whether it is saved or not. Where is it? So you see the video is also saved and the resolution of the video is downgraded. All right, so let's move to the next example. So if you have an audio that you want to stitch to a video, so how can you do that? So for that, you just need to specify the you just need to specify the input video. You just need to specify the output input audio, output file name, and then again FFmpeg input video, input audio, and then you specify that whichever is smaller out of these, take the length of that and make the output file. So here you need to specify that shortest. So let's run this, and your audio will get stitched to your video. All right, so let's move to the next example. So how to overlay text on video? So for that, it's very simple. Again, specify the input, specify the output, specify the text, and in the command, you just need to write draw text equal to text. So this is passed from here. Cool, overlay text, something like that. You can also specify the font and all. So here if I specify 50, so let's keep it 10 for now. This is the starting position of the font, and here I'll specify 48. Color also you can specify whatever you want, so I'm specifying it white right now. So let's run this thing. All right, so it is saved. So let's check. Okay, so you see the text has been overlaid on the video now, and it hardly takes any time. All right, let's move to the next example. So this is an interesting one. So I want to reverse the reverse the video. So for this, let's try this video. So this is a video where this mountain is there and there is this sky is present. So I'll just copy the path of this video. I'll go and place it here and run this thing. So we just need to specify input video VF reverse AF A reverse, and rest FFmpeg will take care. So this is the input video. I'll just close this. Sorry, I'll close this and reversed. So you see now the sky is moving in the left direction. If you see the original video, it was moving in the right direction. So this is how you can reverse a video very simply with the help of FFmpeg. So I hope this was helpful. All right, and the last example that I wanted to show you is of how to mirror a video. So let's take the same path, or else let's take the first one where the waterfall was falling, and let's mirror the video. So let's wait till it get completed. So now it is completed. Now let's check the original video. So you see the waterfall is falling in this direction, that is slant direction to the left side of the screen, right? Now let's check the one with the mirror one. So here you see now the waterfall is falling towards the right side. The video is mirrored and the FPS and all everything is maintained. So these were some cool applications that I tried with FFmpeg and Python. So you can also run this command directly on your command prompt. So that is pretty simple. You just need to open your command prompt and write the command here, FFmpeg input whatever, and you will get the same output. But using Python also you can do the same. So I hope that this video was helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section below how do you use FFmpeg in your day-to-day activities with Python or with any other project, and feel free to ask any other doubts you have in the comment section below. Till then, see you next time.